Hey Andrew, what is a vacuum leak?
So, in the engine, there's a thing called vacuum hoses, and whenever one has a small crack in that, that means it allows too much air into there, or it allows some of that air to escape.
Hey Eric, what is a vacuum leak?
A vacuum leak pretty much is unmeasured air. So your master flow sensor is in charge of measuring the air that enters to your engine. So pretty much everything that is after the MAF sensor that is not being measured, it's a vacuum leak.